One day, Pippin found a shiny, golden apple hanging from the highest branch of a tree. The apple was so beautiful, it caught Pippin's eye, and he decided he must have it. But the branch was too high for him to reach. Pippin thought long and hard about how he could get the apple. He considered climbing the tree, but he knew he wasn't tall enough. He thought about asking for help, but he was too proud. So, he decided to use his cunning instead. He spotted a large, heavy stone nearby. Pippin dragged the stone to the base of the tree and placed it under the branch with the apple. He then climbed up the tree, using the stone as a step. With a reach and a stretch, he snatched the apple from the branch and climbed back down. Word of Pippin's clever trick spread through the forest. Animals marveled at his cunning, and some even began to mimic his ways. But Pippin was troubled. The apple was no longer the source of his joy. Instead, it was the accolades he received. Pippin realized that the apple was just a means to an end, a way to gain attention and admiration. He understood that his cunning had turned from a useful tool into a destructive habit. From that day forward, Pippin vowed to use his cunning for good. He helped the other animals in the forest and shared his knowledge with them. And though he occasionally still got into trouble, Pippin learned that true happiness comes from helping others, not from seeking admiration for oneself. So, remember the tale of the cunning polecat, Pippin. Use your talents wisely, and remember that true happiness comes from helping others, not from seeking attention and admiration for yourself.